Hello students, today we are going to start second exercise of area and perimeter. Now in this exercise we will deal with triangles and parallelogram. See, triangle area is defined as your formula is 1 by 2 multiplied with base into height. Now it depends on what base you are taking and corresponding height you need to take. If you are taking BC as base, so BC base, its corresponding height will be this red line, and if you are taking AC as base, then green line will be your height, and if you are taking AB, this blue line as base, then this line will be your height. Now we come on right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, your AB will be height and BC will be base, and in case if you are taking AC as your base, then this red line will be your height. Now in this obtuse angle triangle, your height will lie outside the triangle. So if I am taking BC as base, your height will be this red line. So it depends on the triangle and it depends on the side, which side you are taking, and corresponding height you need to take to calculate the area. Now same is the case of your parallelogram. Parallelogram is base into height, area of the parallelogram. So if I am taking this black line as your base, so this black line will be your height, and in case if you are taking this as your base, then this line will be your height. It should be 90 degree. Height should be always at 90 degree. And in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel also. So now next, here we have the question, find the area of the following parallelogram. Here two figures I have taken and we need to find out the area. I have told you that area is base into height. Now base is your 8 centimeter and height is 4.5. So just we need to multiply base into height, that is 36 centimeter square will be your area. Now in this is your base and corresponding height is this. So just we need to multiply again base into height. So 4.4 into 2, that is 8.8 centimeter will be your area of the parallelogram. Now next question, find the area of each of the following triangle. Here I have taken two triangles. First is your right angle triangle. So this is your height and this is your base. So half into base into height. So half into 6 is height and 5 is base. Now multiplying 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter square will be your area of this. Now this is obtuse angle triangle, so height is outside, that is 6 centimeter and base is 4.5 only. So half into 6 is height and 4.5 is base, that is 27 by 2, that is 13.5 centimeter square is going to be your area. Now we have this question here. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are 6. This is 6 and this is your 4. If height corresponding to the base 6 is your 3 centimeter, you need to find first thing area, and second thing you need to find out the base AD. Okay, so here first thing, area of the parallelogram is base into height. Now if I am taking base AB, then the height will be your 3 centimeters. So from here I can find out the area. So area will be 6 into 3, that is 18 centimeter square. Now we need to find out this base AD. So if I am taking this base AD, height will be this. Again I am taking the same area formula. Area of the parallelogram, here I am taking base as AD and height as H. So in place of base I am writing AD as 4 and height as H. Now we can calculate H from here. H can be written as 18 upon 4, that is 4.5 centimeter. So this is our second answer. Let's move to second question. Now in the given figure, here we have the figure given. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle property is that two sides are equal. Third side is given your 9 centimeter and height of this third side is given 6 centimeter. Now first thing you need to find out the area of the triangle. Now area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base I am taking as BC and height will be 6. So area of the triangle will be half into BC into AD, or I can write half into 9 into 6, that is here 2 can be cancelled out with 6, you will get 3. 3 times 9 is 27. So area of this triangle will be 27. Now we need to calculate your CE. CE is the height here. So again I am taking the area formula. Here I will take now base as BA and height will be EC. So area of the triangle I am taking as AB is the base and EC is the height. Now area of the triangle we have calculated, that is 27. BC here AB is given 7.5 and we need to calculate EC. Sorry, this is EC. You can just correct it. Now EC will be 27 into 2 by 7.5, that is 7.2. So this EC is basically your 7.2. Make the correction here. In place of here in place of ED write EC, because we are calculating EC. Here also you can write EC. Now let's move on to next question. Now next question is, in the given figure triangle ABC is right angle triangle at B. We need to find out its perpendicular length BN to side AC. So first thing we can calculate here area of the triangle. Now BC is the base and AB is the height. So half into base into height, from that I can calculate area of the triangle is 24. Now first thing we need to calculate AC. AC can be calculated using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem I can write hypotenuse square AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So here you get this. So AC square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square, that is 36 plus 64, and adding this you will get 100. Now 100 means your 10 square. So AC will be equal to 10. Now we have this AC is 10. Now using the area formula, if I am taking this your base, this will be your height. So area formula will be half. Base is your AC and height is your BN. Area we have calculated already, that is 24. Half multiplied with 10. 10 is your AC what we have calculated, and BN we need to calculate. So from here I can write BN equals to 24 into 2 by 10, or that will be your 48 by 10, 4.8. Now we move on to next question. Next question is this. In the given figure, the area of triangle ABE is equal to the length of the parallelogram is equal to the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So here first thing we need to calculate the area of this triangle. Now area of this triangle can be calculated as half into base is AB and height is EF already given. So area of triangle ABE, here ABE will be half into base into height, or I can write half into 10 into 16, that is 80 centimeter. Now it is given that this area, this ABE area is equal to the parallelogram area. So we can write that parallelogram area is 80 centimeter square. Now we know that parallelogram area is half your base into height. So parallelogram area is base into height, or from here we can write, now parallelogram area is 80 and base, I am taking base as DC. Here this I am taking as base is DC, and height I am taking as H. Now in parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so AB will be equal to DC, so I can write DC as 10. So here in place of DC I will write 10. So 10 into H. Now from here I can calculate H. H will be 80 upon 10, that is 8 centimeter. So this is our H. Now we need to calculate area of AMD. This area, see we have calculated, this is your H we have calculated, and here D, this M is the midpoint. If M is the midpoint, DM will be half of DC, and DC is 10, so DM will be 5. So now half into base into height. Now here I can write half, height is 8 we have calculated, and DEM is your DC by 2. Now in place of DC I can write 10 by 2. Now calculating this I will get the area of AMD, that is 20 centimeter square. Let's move on to next question. Here we have our next question in the given figure. Here ABCD is a rectangle of size 18 by 10 centimeters, and here this is a right angle triangle. Here this is given 90 and this is 10 given. EC is given 8. This EC is given 8. We need to find out the area of the shaded region. So to find out the area of the shaded region, what I can do, I can calculate the area of this rectangle and then I can subtract the area of this triangle. I will get the area of the shaded region. So first thing, I am calculating the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is your length into breadth. So 10 into 18, that is 180 centimeter. Now using Pythagoras theorem, see, this is your hypotenuse and these are other two sides. So hypotenuse square will be equal to EC square plus EB square. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can write BC square is equal to EB square plus EC square. Now BC is already given 10 and EC is given 8. So from here I can calculate EB square. So 10 square is 100, 8 square is 64 and EB square, here I have copied it. Now EB square will be 100 minus 64, that is 36, and 36 can be written as 6. So EB will be 6 centimeter. Now this is 6 centimeter. Now this is your base and this is your height. I can calculate the area of this triangle. So area of this triangle will be half into base into height, that is half into EB into EC equals to half into 8 into 6, or we can write EBC is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we want the area of this shaded region, blue region. So I will subtract this area from this area. So here I will get area of the shaded region will be area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle. So 180 minus 24, that is 156 centimeter square.